The all-new Maximus Pro HD from Matco is a comprehensive scan tool with heavy-duty OE dealer-level coverage and MaxFix HD. Packaged and designed to increase productivity, reduce downtime, and accurately build jobs, this easy-to-use scan tool can diagnose and navigate multiple heavy-duty vehicle applications for semi-trucks, buses, RVs, agriculture, and construction equipment. Here are a few of the features that make the Maximus Pro HD a great scan tool choice for heavy-duty applications. Equipped with a high-resolution 10.1-inch touchscreen display, the Maximus Pro HD offers a user-friendly interface for smooth navigation and effortless interaction. Its extensive range of functions, such as HD resets, puts the power of cutting-edge technology right at your fingertips. Bundled with a fully loaded software package and licensed access to MaxFix HD, you can effortlessly retrieve labor guide and rate information, wiring diagrams, service guides, and diagnostic procedures, all streamlining your workflow and maximizing efficiency. The Maximus Pro HD connects you to the latest updates, automatically providing you with the latest software, so you have instant access to the most current information available. And with its quick-charging lithium-ion battery, a single charge provides you with the ability to run multiple applications throughout the day, up to 8 hours. Designed to enhance productivity and minimize downtime, the Maximus Pro HD can immediately improve your productivity and billing accuracy. For more information on the Maximus Pro HD, talk to your Matco distributor or visit matcodiagnostics.com.